Hey guys, Sandra here with another video, and today we're going to talk about the Power Lead system. They have a new funnel. Okay, if you didn't already know, if you've been with the Power Lead system before, this is a brand new funnel that was added in the back office. If you are with the Power Lead system, this is a brand new funnel that you need to check out. So it's the Fire Your Boss funnel. All right. And this funnel is a simple funnel. It's already done for you. They created the capture page, the video presentation, and the follow-up emails for you. Okay. They do the selling and the training for you. You just have to drive traffic to your funnel and be consistent. Okay, that's all you have to do. Drive traffic to your funnel and be consistent. If you are new and you don't know what to do, this is a simple funnel for you. A simple system for you to follow. You don't have to train people. You bring them in. You don't have to train the people that you bring in. And when someone joins up with you through your funnel, all you have to do is invite them to the training by sending them an email. All right? A personal email from you. Okay? Besides the emails that are already going out. You don't need to have any experience to do any of this. All right? So now, after you click the link below to join the Fire Your Boss funnel, you'll be able to watch a free video, and they give you a 14-day $1 trial period. Okay, so now you'll be able to test this out, the whole system, send traffic to it for only $1 for 14 days. All right, you get to see what the system is all about. If you decide to keep the system, you only have to pay $54 a month. All right? And also, we have a bonus. They have a bonus within your first 7 days. And if you take action and purchase the Master Traffic Institute product, which is our top package, you'll get the diamond and the platinum level for free, which you'll have the ability to not only earn an additional commissions of not only $100, but also $400 in commissions. Okay, and I'll show you that here. Here's the Master Traffic. That's the elite level. When you purchase that, you get the platinum and the diamond level for free. You're saving a lot of money when you do this. So take advantage. Take advantage of this within your first 7 days. All right. With this bonus. Okay. Take advantage of it. It's a good deal before they stop. It's a very good deal. You're saving a lot of money, and take advantage, especially if you want to learn the secrets and training from our top 6 and 7 earners. Okay, so let me show you where you get the funnel. Oops. You will click the easy button, all right, where it says start here, and as you can see, you get started in 3 simple steps. First, you're going to join our Facebook group. All right, then you're going to choose which link below to advertise, and then you're going to advertise your links. All right, so you're going to choose either the Lead Lightning, the free lead system, or the Fire Your Boss. I suggest the Fire Your Boss funnel. All right, because it's bringing in a lot of leads for everyone and commissions. All right, so this is where you get it, the Fire Your Boss funnel. All right, and our Facebook group, as you can see, people are getting sales. 1 gold member, Mark got 1 gold member. That's an extra $20 commissions a month for him. We get paid weekly and monthly. And Frank Calabro A great way to end 2022. Another withdrawal thanks to Power Lead System. Over $8,000 in total withdrawals this week. An online weekly internet payment for over 10 years. You have 1,500. He has over $1,000 in commissions ready to transfer now. Okay, so this is how you make $1,000 by upgrading to the Master Traffic Institute. That is how you make the $1,000 quicker, okay, in commissions. So that is how you will make $1,000 a day. All right. And okay, so then all right, so then this is where you get started. So after you get started, sign up at the link below. Get your get set up for your Fire Your Boss funnel. All right, this is a new funnel, like I was saying, that was added to the Power Lead system. So go ahead, sign up for the funnel, and I'll see you on the inside. If you have any questions, get back with me, and I will be making more videos about this funnel in the next couple of days. I'll see you on the side. See you on the next video. Remember, you must hustle, and God bless you. Take care.